Hi there. Today I'm gonna be making a video about my new cable for the Denali S4 lights, which has finally arrived, and I'm gonna unpack it and then I'm going to install all the wires need to be put on the motorbike, and we're gonna start with unpacking just to see what's in the package. Massive box. And CANsmart for KTM. Here we go. That's the manual. And cable. More paper. And Denali Generation 2 CANsmart. Now, at the moment my bike looks like this. I have the wires from the previous cabling, from the previous installation here. Yeah, I just tried this. This came originally with Denali lights, with these Denali fog lights. Outback Mototech frame, which I've installed 1 week ago, and I also installed these fog lights from Denali S4. Yeah, with this cable it's unable to set the percentage or power of the lights. You do get this switch, which is on-off switch. It makes nothing else, and then you will have only 100%. Later on I will show you how the light looks like. Like I said, they do just full power. It's impossible to change output from the fog lights because you don't have this thing. You do get 2-position one, and this is just for 1 position, which does only 1 output, the same, full power, nothing else. So that's why I bought this CANsmart switch or CANsmart cable, and that comes with all the wiring. Okay, I will turn it on and show you how it looks when the lights are on for full power, and then I will show you how it looks when I install the CANsmart cable. Okay, now motorbike is on at the moment. Lights are off, and now we're gonna turn on switch. That's full power. It's really bright. Okay. I'm gonna unscrew the bolts, the screws, which are on the battery, loosen all the screws, take the cables off, and then I'm gonna install the new cables which arrive for the light. Okay? But as usual, I can't work without radio, so I'm gonna have to turn it on. And my okay. Hi there again. At the moment I've disconnected all the wires from the battery and from the motorbike. Open up the CANsmart, open up the secondary cable and wires which came with the packaging. We can choose whichever we want. You have one red one which can be used for the LEDs. White one is LED lights number 2, and the yellow one rear brake lights, and the blue one is horn circuit. Yeah. So I'm just gonna choose one cable which is for the front fog lights, and I'm gonna use a red circuit. Just gonna easy plug-in connector connect, and that's it. Click clack. Okie dokie. Now we have to unscrew all these bolts which are surrounding the tank, and then we will continue with the wires. Then we need to unscrew these 6 screws. Oh. Then we have to unscrew these screws and these 2 at the back. Here are 2 hoses which lead to the tank, so we need to undo them as well. Pull them out. Okay, so I have everything ready now. All the connectors, all the wires are in place. Just gonna show you how I've done it, because it was a tough job. And then I'm gonna put all the plastic parts back on the motorbike and put them all together and show you how it looks like. All the wires are, like I said, here on the bottom. I'm just gonna have to put one more zip tied there. Wires are here, as you can see. They go through this plastic bit underneath the tank, come out here. That's one side of the cable. It goes down here, then down here again, up here, down there. This you need to take off, and it goes here. Okay. Second part is already installed here. These are the connectors, red and brown. Then we have the CANsmart, which is installed here. I just put them there. All the wires are here underneath. They fit perfectly. Okay, then the other side, cables are going through here. Again, you need to take this out. Okay, here, down here, and the horn cable as well, the green black one. Up here, zip side here, goes up here, along the tank again, underneath there, and it comes here out, and then onto the side. I'm just gonna put another zip noodles there, and that will be okay. Now I'm just gonna have to set up the Denali lights, move them a little bit, levelize them, and then test everything. Now I just opened the Hex Innovate CANsmart application, which you can download on the CANsmart website. Connect all the cables to the computer, and we have red circuit, which is our right side, yeah, and white circuit, which is our left side on the additional lights. High beam we have with blue color here. Low beam is in yellow. The intensity with the high beam for the lights is during the day 100% and during the night also 100%, because you need the power to be there. When something happens, you need to give them flash when somebody is in the way and so on. During the day we have low beams, which in the darker days are on. So when they are on, it's night intensity, yeah. With the low beams, night intensity standard originally set to 50%. You can change it moving left or moving right. It's 50%. I'm just gonna leave it on 50%. Okay, this is the day. During the day, intensity is set up to 20%. Pretty powerful, no? Gonna lower it down. Actually, I have to do it on night intensity because the light is 50%. I'm gonna go down to 20% just to show you how it looks like during the day. Now you see that. During the day it's set up to 20%, or you can set it up to 10%, but I just set it up to 20 because I want to be more visible during the day. But you need to set up this low beam on day intensity. That's for the daylight. Okay. During the night, when the low beam is on, the low beam needs to be set up to 50 or 40. I just set it up to 50%, okay? High beam is, as I said, 100% night, 100% day. Just to show you how 100% looks like. Now I'm gonna move it up to 100%. That's 100%, 50%, 100%, 50%, and this is 20%, 50%. 20, 50. Then on the right side here we have these buttons or sliders. That means off when turn signal is active. When you have the slider on the right side, it's active. Okay, that means when you turn on left or right turn signal, the additional lights will go off and you will see just the left turn signal or right turn signal, which I will show you now. The right is active. Automatically the additional light is, or fog light is off. Now we're gonna turn off signal and the light comes on as during the day. Okay, again, right. Now we're gonna switch off. It comes back on to 20%. When left, again, left side is off. Switching off the turn signal, it comes back to 20%. Right, now I will show you how it looks like when strobe, when horn is active. Slider is on the right side, the additional lights will strobe when I turn on the horn. Here we go. You can see that. Strobe when flash to pass. Okay, so when I flash someone with high beam 3 times in a row, the fog lights automatically flash as well 3 times in a row. Yeah, one more time. So that's that. Inverse flashing when hazardous lights are active. When I turn on the hazard, this is what they do. Yeah, so that's what I want. That's active as well, and you can set it up on what power it does flash. I think it's 100%. And now they're gonna go back to 20% again, because the daylights during the day they are set up to 20%. Okie dokie. Here we have for the brakes. Yeah, I don't have that installed. It's just when you put on additional lights for the rear as a rear brakes, you can set them up here. They can work together with the additional fog lights. The rear running lights you can set up as well to 10% or 20%, but now I don't have them installed. I don't think I will install them or buy them. It's not something for me. So this is how it works.